If you actually did character S, this update is actually for you, and I want you to follow this update with a prompt action and do what is needful. Now, just as you can see on my screen, this is a new phase of character S, and character S has actually been updated, and now the app itself has been updated to a new version, which is version 3.0. Now, on this version, it actually brings an end to the pre-season airdrop. You can see here, we call it pre-season airdrop. And just as of yesterday, Character X actually released an update on Telegram or on the Twitter page regarding the new phase and regarding the next line of action. Let me just show you as I continue. Please just make sure you pay attention, because I'm going to tell you an opportunity that you are about to miss again. This update actually came yesterday as announced. That's July 19, and they said that by July 20, that the pre-season pre-season will actually end on July 20, and what would actually come up after the end of the pre-season farming of CXT points. And they told us that after this there will be nothing like CXT point again. You know, before we were farming CXT points, in which we're being told that CXT point will be converted to CXT airdrop token. And now there will be nothing like CXT point anymore, because it's a product of pre-season. And now that they have launched the Character X app version 3.0, and part of things that will also come up with it is that you'll be able to mint your what we call CXT credentials on-chain. And this CXT credential on-chain is what will be regarded as a proof to participate in the airdrop staking, you get. And also they will give more details about token airdrop and credential minting, which will be released by next week. This is the update. I know that some of you don't even understand what they're trying to say, but in a simple term, this is it. In a simple term, for those of you who have been mining on Character S app, that's if you have been consistent, if you have been mining, because I know some of you have dropped it along the way. That is the kind of people we have these days, that when you hear that they want to launch their token tomorrow, you quickly go back and pick up. No, that's not good enough. Learn to visit even old projects, you get. Now, the app, the Character S 3.0, the new app is out, which is what I am using right now. You can see it's a bit different from the old app. Now, you can see here, if you come here and you click there, you can see, you will see pre-season. This shows that the CXT point I've been mining, this is what I got from what I've been mining. Now, you saw the pre-season campaign has concluded, and we have snapshotted your end CXT point. Thank you for participating. Get ready for season 1. Now, all these points I mined in pre-season, they have been calculated and they have been snapshotted, which will be part of what will determine the airdrop I will receive. That is about that. Now, the season 1 has now begun. Season 1 has begun. And also, what do you need to know? What do you need to do regarding this season 1 that has just begun? On this season 1, instead of you getting CXT points, this time around, what you get is CAI points. That's Character X AI, Character S AI. You know, they are dealing with also combination of crypto with artificial intelligence. That's why you could chat with the AI, artificial intelligence. And this is now, instead of CXT point, what we are dealing with now is CAI point. Instead of CXT point, you now earn CAI point. And now you can now farm CAI points just like you were doing in the previous one. And I know in the previous one, there is something I've been hammering that some of you didn't take note of. That is why some people didn't mine enough. But right now, here is the good part of it. Please, if you follow this, you'll be able to mine enough on this character X. Now, this is it. Just come here. You will notice that here, this is your active point. It matters. Your accelerator matters. And this is your passive point. Everything matters to determine what you earn here on a daily basis. But mind you, always come here. Can you see where there is this arrow goes? Where there is people here, this icon. Always come there every 24 hours and make sure you turn on this your AI machine. It is an AI auto rewards. It will run. The more it keeps on running, the more it generates more point for you. CAI point for you. You get. Make sure you always turn it on. How do you turn it on? Just click on this. Just tap on it. It will be reset itself. The time will reset. You can see it has changed to 24 hours counting down again. When the more you turn it on, anytime you come into the app, make sure you turn it on. Don't let it be off. Once it's off, it will not generate point for you. That's the secret. It will not generate point for you. That is just the secret. And then after you've done that, come back to the last icon. Then here, make sure that here, you can see before I was having 100 here. Now it has turned to 120. It shows that the more if I click on it, the more active you are on this app every 5 minutes, the more 5 minutes you spend on this app within 2 hours, the more this point will be, you keep adding from 20 to 40, 40 to 60. After 5 minutes and you've been credited, close the app, come back again and stay out for another 5 minutes and stay active for another 5 minutes. It will increase, you get. And if you can do that and follow all these instructions, whatever you have here, it will be multiplied with your accelerator, this accelerator, and that will determine what you, and we also multiply, add to this your passive point, which you earn from turning on this thing. And then that gives you what you get from here. That increases your what you have there as your balance. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Now you can see that everything has been reset for a new day. This is a new day. This is a new day now. Everything that has been reset to is 00 now for another day for me because of the time I'm recording. I'm recording around 1 a.m. in the midnight. You get. Now that's why everything has been reset now. That means this is what I earned for yesterday. This is what I earned for yesterday on character X. Now today, if I stay active, it will be counting 2020, 2020 for whatever I get for 5 minutes, and also with my accelerator. That's why you need to increase your accelerator. You can increase what you have in your accelerator on your badge. Click on your badge, then fulfill all the criteria for social influencer, active contributor, and creative genius. Once you fulfill all the criteria, you earn more badge, and that multiplies your earnings. You get, guys. Now that's about that in terms of earning more, and you can also do well to chat more with AI. You get. Now for this SDD, I will make a special video on how to claim this SDD. You get. Now it doesn't end there. It doesn't end there. Before this update, Character X also made. They also started a season. They also started season 1. And this is the one mining on Telegram as well. That means you can benefit and mine both on Telegram and also on the app, and you can link them together. And that is what I also need to show you now. If you have not started mining Character X on Telegram as well, guys, here is the link. Just make sure that you also follow the link below this video based on the step 1 and the step 2. Everything you need to do, check it on the description below this video. And I'll also give you the link to download the app and get started. Make sure you are mining on the app and also mining on Telegram. Make sure you are mining on the app and also on Telegram. Now let's go to Telegram. Just click on the link, the second link on the description below this video to take you to Telegram. Guys, this is a Telegram. If I just let me launch the MiniApp, you'll see what it will first show. Take note of it. You can see Character X Airdrop is coming soon. You can see character SCA listing soon. That means the token will be listed soon. Please just take it seriously. Now you can see this is my account. Once you click, it's going to show like this. The first thing you should take note of if you're mining on Telegram is just something similar to the one I explained to you on the app. Now come here on the app. After you've opened it, come to this icon. Come to this mining icon. You can see that middle icon that you are seeing my arrow. Come there. The first thing you must do, just like the other one I explained to you, is to make sure that this time is turned on and always reset. You get? Don't wait for the countdown to be totally be off before you come and turn it on or reset it. Click on that reset this thing. I've reset it to 24 hours back. In case you forget, it's better anytime you come and reset it. Now that will be automatic, giving you automatic mining, be running and be working. Don't allow it to stop, and that will be generating farming more points for you. That's the first thing you must take note to maximize your mining on character S. Make sure you always turn it on. Don't wait before it totally goes off or stop before you turn it on. Make sure you always turn it on. That is how to mine on Telegram, just like the app. After that, after you've done that, the next thing you also have to take note of, this is the major part. Next thing you have to take note of is also here. You can decide to invite your friends, and that also helps you to earn more points. And here on the main page here, on the home page here, when you click there, it will bring this page for you. The more you actually increase in level, the more you'll be able to also mine. You can see here, this is also increasing. It's mining. I think it's mining automatically. It's mining automatically. That's just about this for you, and that will also increase the rate of your mining. The more you also increase in level, because all these things has level. You can see I'm in level 8. If you click here, you will see what I'm saying. If you click here, you see different level, and that will also determine the mining, the rate at which this one on the home page keeps mining. But above all, the main thing you must target is to make sure you turn this on, this mining on. Make sure you turn it on every 24 hours. You can see, in fact, I think that's just it. Make sure that it is turned on. And now when you come here on this button, click here. There's something you need to do. Something you need to do. Now here you will see claim SDD to get airdrop. Earn more airdrop points. If you want to earn more airdrop points, invite this when earn this CA 500. Okay, I've explained this. Now come here. You will see link to app account. You can link to your app account. You can decide to link to your app account what you are mining on the app. Now, how do you do that? Click on link, impute your email. Whatever email you use, make sure it is the same email you are using on the app. You get. Now click on get code. Make sure you paste the code there and click on verify. Click to verify. Then you can see I have linked my account with my previous character S. As simple as that. That is how to link the one on Telegram with the one on the app. You can see I've linked it with my email, and everything is now working perfectly well. I've linked it together. You can see. And now I think, let me just check the app. Guys, can you see on my app? Before on my app I was having like 1,000. Now you can see what I now have. It has been added to what I have on the app. Means it has been linked. That's how to link both your app and your Telegram, and also keep on mining. That means you can be mining on both sides, both on the app and on the Telegram. Guys, just take only hold on the opportunity, mine on the app, mine on Telegram, link them together and maximize your earning, your mining, and stay active. This airdrop is going to cook, guys. This is AI. This is AI, and it takes a lot to build artificial intelligence. You know how this character X work, chatting with all these AI. You know what it takes to build AI. All right, guys, take it seriously. And just like I told you, the more you are active, you can see here I've got 20 points here for my activeness. I've stayed up to 5 minutes on the app, and that will also be part of what multiplies my earning, my mining. I mean, what I get here, you get. Just take it more seriously. I'll be making more videos to show you how to maximize your earnings on Character Heads. Alright, guys, bye for now. If you have any further question, do well to drop it on the comment section below, or do well to join my Telegram community and ask a question. I will answer you. Alright, guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information and updates. Bye for now.